Today, I am reviewing Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch M4. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Apple has once again raised the bar with the 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch, now powered by the groundbreaking M4 chip. This laptop is a perfect combination of power, portability, and elegance, designed for professionals, students, and creatives who demand both speed and style. From its 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display to its 24GB unified memory and 512GB SSD, the MacBook Air is engineered to make everything you do faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. At the heart of this machine is the Apple M4 chip, a next-generation processor that brings incredible speed and efficiency to your workflow. Whether you're switching between multiple apps, editing high-resolution videos, or playing graphically demanding games, the M4 chip ensures everything runs without lag or compromise. Combined with 24GB of unified memory, this MacBook Air handles multitasking effortlessly, allowing you to open dozens of tabs, run creative software, and stream media all at once without slowing down. One of the standout features of the MacBook Air is Apple Intelligence, a personal system built to help you work smarter. It assists with everything from writing and organizing your projects to enhancing productivity, all while maintaining groundbreaking privacy protections. Your data remains secure and private, giving you peace of mind that your personal information is never accessible to anyone else, not even Apple. Portability is a hallmark of the MacBook Air, and the 2025 model continues this tradition with a sleek, lightweight design that you can take anywhere. Despite its slim profile, the laptop delivers up to 18 hours of battery life, so you can work, create, or play throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're traveling, studying in a cafe, or working remotely, this laptop is ready to keep up with your schedule. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is truly a visual delight. Supporting 1 billion colors, it offers crisp text, vibrant photos, and stunning videos. The display's sharp contrast and brilliant brightness make it perfect for editing photos or watching movies, and every detail pops with clarity. For video calls and conferences, the 12MP center stage camera ensures you always look your best, while 3 high-quality microphones capture clear audio and 4 speakers with spatial audio create an immersive sound experience for music, movies, and games. Connectivity has been thoughtfully designed for modern users. The MacBook Air includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a MagSafe charging port, a headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. You can easily connect external displays, high-speed storage devices, or your favorite accessories without any hassle. This level of connectivity makes it a versatile machine for both work and entertainment. Performance is further enhanced by macOS, which allows your apps to run seamlessly. Microsoft 365 Copilot, Adobe Creative Cloud, Google Workspace, and other productivity and creative apps fly on this laptop, thanks to the optimization of macOS and the raw power of the M4 chip. From professional tasks like video editing and graphic design to everyday activities like browsing and streaming, the MacBook Air handles everything with remarkable fluidity. For those looking for extra peace of mind, the AppleCare Plus 3-year plan included in this bundle ensures protection against accidental damage, hardware repairs, and battery issues. With direct support from Apple, you can schedule service at Apple stores, authorized providers, or even get on-site service at home or office. The Priority 24/7 tech support ensures that any problems are resolved quickly, letting you focus on work or play without worry. In summary, the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch with M4 chip is more than just a laptop. It's a powerful, intelligent, and portable workstation that adapts to your lifestyle. It combines next-level performance, stunning visuals, remarkable battery life, and Apple's signature reliability in a lightweight and sleek design. For students, professionals, creators, or anyone who wants a laptop that can handle everything effortlessly, this MacBook Air is one of the best choices available in 2025. Whether it's multitasking, content creation, video calls, or simply enjoying your favorite media, the 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch delivers speed, efficiency, and elegance all in one package. If you're looking for a laptop that's fast, versatile, secure, and built to last, this MacBook Air sets the standard for what a modern ultrabook should be.